Hi everybody, meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News, taking us through the weekend. And it doesn't look all that bad actually. We're looking at a cooler than normal weekend, but still it looks like a very nice one nonetheless. Variable clouds though, won't be as sunny as we would like to see. Mostly cloudy skies at times, but still lots of sun at times as well. Rather strong wind though developing on Saturday especially, so temperatures will feel a lot cooler than even what the thermometer says, and we are expecting a more seasonal week by midweek next week, which is generally in the lower to mid 60s for highs. Normally 62 should be the high today, and we just barely got up into the upper 50s, near 60. Tomorrow will be a little cooler, and of course you add the winds, it'll feel like the 40s possibly, so a little chilly start to the weekend, but again, not too bad. Record high of 80 with a record low of 24, and looking at Moses Lake, not too bad, right on that seasonal high of 62 degrees, but it was a chilly start. That's about 10 degrees colder than where we started on Thursday morning. So this Friday morning we had a little chilly start out there, but outside right now, a nice, pretty evening shaping up. We have mostly cloudy skies though. A pretty sunset taking shape in the next hour or so, 56 degrees with the breeze from the south-southwest at 12, and as mentioned, that breeze is going to be picking up. Here's the past 24 hours, and again, we saw variable clouds, but really what I want to focus our attention on is the bulk of clouds coming in out of the Pacific. That's what's going to have to come over during the weekend. Most of the shower activity with that will be strung out to our west along the Cascades and westward, but during the day on Saturday we might see a sprinkle or two, but generally we're looking for mostly cloudy skies. This might be overdone here in the Columbia Basin. The higher elevation snow is about 2,000 feet snow level. West of the Cascades again is where bulk of the moisture will fall. The inland northwest, variable clouds, a few passing sprinkles as well. Sunday, a little less chance of any sort of precipitation, mainly just some passing clouds. Again, higher elevation snow is continuing. And then as we slide out of the weekend, we'll see temperatures again start to moderate by midweek next week. Here we are with variable clouds still as we start the work week. Specifically along the western coast, we are looking at mostly cloudy skies, rather cool, only in the 40s. It's going to be a breezy, blustery day. Lots of clouds again in the inland northwest, but in the Columbia Basin, again, a little bit more sunshine. But don't be surprised to have a sprinkle move on through as well. With temperatures only in the 50s, wind speeds 15 to 25 miles an hour and gusty, it'll be breezy. So we can knock about 5 to 10 degrees off that as far as wind chills go. So it's going to be a little chilly to start the weekend. And just a few sprinkles around, especially on Saturday, not so much on Sunday. And as we slide out of the weekend and the work week, we see moderating temperatures near seasonal levels, maybe showers in the work week next week. Stay tuned, sports is coming up next.